Here is a special message from the National Weather Service. For the following county, Johnston, North Carolina. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flood warning for the Neuse River at Smithfield from Monday morning to Tuesday evening. At 8:15 p.m. Sunday, the stage was 12.5 feet. Flood stage is 15.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage tomorrow morning to a crest of 16.2 feet tomorrow evening. It will then fall below flood stage late Tuesday morning. Impact at 15.0 feet. Flooding begins along the Neuse River Walk. Water nears the base of the holding tank at the water treatment plant. Flood history. No available flood history. Here is the